question says, without proper maintenance, the time of failure of two sensors in an aircraft are random variables, x and y. And it has a joint density function, which is defined as exponential function. When we write exp, it means that we have exponential function with basis e, Napier number. What is the probability that neither sensor functions after 2 years? So basically, we have double integral to calculate. So it says neither of them function after 2 years. It means that their life is within 24 months. X is bounded between 0 and 24 months. The same for y. Y is bounded between 0 and 24 months. Let's set up the integral. The double integral of 1 over 864 e to power negative x over 24 minus y divided by 36 dA. Then we can decide between x and y. So as you can see, x and y are not connected together. There is no linear combination, non-linear combination between them. So you can basically take the integral with respect to x or with respect to y. It doesn't matter. Dx, dy. So the boundaries for x, 0 to 24. The boundaries for y, 0 to 24. So can we separate this integral? Definitely. If you have e to power a plus b, it is e to a times e to b. So we can basically separate these. And here you have 1 over 864, integral 0 to 24, e to power negative x over 24, dx multiplied by integral 0 to 24, e to power negative y divided by 36 dy. And do the computation. So for this one or this one, it doesn't matter. You have to use u sub. U is equal to negative x divided by 24, and du is negative dx divided by 24. So here you have 1 over 864, and you have the integral e to power u, and du is negative 24, dx is negative 24, du. And for this one, you have the integral, u is negative 1 divided by 36, and du is equal to negative dy divided by 36. So this guy becomes the integral e to u, or you could call it, for example, v to avoid any confusion. E to v, and dy is negative 36 dv. There's the simplification. Yeah, 1 over 864, negative 24, and e to power negative x divided by 24, 0 to 24, multiplied by, so let's put this in parentheses, multiplied by negative 36, e to power negative y over 36, and it's bounded between 0 to 24. So if you do the substitution and do the computation, you're going to get approximately 31% or 0.31 or 0.31. So the probability that neither sensor functions after 2 years is 31%.